Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake this vanilla cake with icing and sprinkles on top. You preheat your oven before you get started to 180 degrees Celsius. In the bowl I have some oil, butter and sugars. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to start whisking this until it's nice and creamy and light in color. So it's creamy and light in color, and then I'm going to start adding in my eggs. I'm going to do this one at a time and whisk again. Okay, now it's time to add in the second egg. Crack it and add it to your mixture. I'm going to add in my flour all in one go, and then I fold this mixture in. I'm going to put this mixture in my cake tin. It's a 20 centimeter 8-inch tin. I'm going to just level this as much as I can. So I've leveled out my mixture, and I'm going to put this in the oven to bake. The sponge is now ready. I'm going to put a cooling rack on top and flip it over like that. You leave it in the tin for about 10 minutes before you flip it over. And I'm going to peel off the paper. Now that your cake is cooled down, it's time to ice it. I've made some water icing or glacé icing that I'm going to put on top. It's just a mix of icing sugar and water. You can click the link above to find out how to make it. You can also add other liquids into it like orange juice or lemon juice. Add some sprinkles on top. If you're patient enough, you can wait for your icing to set and then cut it. You can see it's nice and fluffy and baked through. It tastes amazing. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.